Hello and welcome to Pursuit a Perfect System. My name is Terry Ellis, I'm an audio reviewer and this is my video coverage for the Munich High End Show 2019. I'd like to thank my show coverage sponsors, Melco, GIK Acoustics, Tellurium Q. I have created lots of videos as part of a coverage for the high-end show, and you'll find other videos like this in my channel. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, hit that like button, make sure you've subscribed to the channel, and I'll be seeing you all soon.
You can all hear me. Thank you very much. Louder. Thank you very much for joining us here at Chord Electronics today, and thank you for giving up your time. I know it's a very big show and hard for you to get around, so I appreciate you spending time with us. It's an important year for us, 2019. It's the 30th anniversary of the business, which has been designing, engineering and manufacturing in the UK for 3 decades. So we've got 3 new products to show you today. 3 decades. And I'm going to hand over to Colin, International Sales Director, for the next part.
Hello, and genuinely thank you very much for all taking the time to come and see us. It's highly appreciated. So I genuinely feel very privileged to be working for Chord Electronics. It was John's technology that really sort of turned me on to really good quality replay music. The heritage of John's technology is a story that needs to be told and time again, because it is really quite a cool story. John making amplifiers for the BBC, Abbey Road Studio, Skywalker Studios in America, so all the Star Wars, and now Disney, Pixar. It was a really interesting and very important product. So what we're doing this year is a great lead-on, follow-up chapter to John's heritage. So to celebrate 30 years, I'd like to hand over to John, who will now explain what he's been up to.
Yeah. This time last year, I showed you an amplifier with some totally new technology that was originated by a guy called Malcolm J. Hawksford and taken up by a guy called Bob Cordell. And they developed a feed-forward error correction system that actually works very well with MOSFETs and allows MOSFETs to become very linear and actually negates, it leaves all the good features of power MOSFETs and it actually cuts away or negates any of the bad features. So obviously once I developed a medium scale amplifier, being the Etude, I decided that really this technology was so good, it did things that I thought were not possible. And the distortion levels fell through the floor, the speed of the whole amplifier speeded up about a factor of 10, so an order of magnitude faster. And so I decided that really what I would do would be to develop the range and really push the technology to our very largest amplifier. So my first project was the Ultima. This is the Ultima amplifier. Really, it's an amplifier which really it almost defies anything that's ever gone before, because it's better. It is really technically better than anything. Very powerful. It is able to follow transients in music like no other amplifier has done before. And I think that once I'd sorted that amplifier out, and it's very different having an amplifier with maybe 250 volts DC across it compared to just 50 volts. So you have to really work out all the wrinkles, and actually it was myself and Tom, and we worked away for many months, and we were able to get the design thrashed out. And of course once that's been done, you can start to pull the design around like toffee. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. And of course, being the kind of person that I am, a pushy guy, I decided really we can't just leave this with the top of the range and with the Etude. We've got to bring it across and see what we can do for the rest of the range. So I would like, if everyone there can remove their black covers, and we'll show you not only the Ultima,
Yeah.
the Ultima 1,
Whoa.
but
Yeah.
this is the Ultima 2, and we also have the Ultima 4. Oh, it's the Ultima 3, sorry. So essentially all of our range now are now based upon this new drive technology, and we are very, very pleased and very happy to show it to you now. And we hope over the coming years that you'll be able to really seriously get to listen to the whole range, because we're very proud of it. Thank you.
We have another product that Matthew has been working incredibly hard on. A guy that doesn't get the credit he deserves. He does in the office, but to you guys out there,
No, he doesn't. No.
He's not very good at buying beer as well. Good at drinking my beer then. But Matt really is a massive integral part of Chord Electronics, and his input can never be undervalued. Helps me out a lot, helps John out, he supports basically everyone. Matt's been with the company for 29?
30 years.
I mean, basically Matt's been with the company from day one, and John's absolute right-hand man. So I'm genuinely proud to hand Matt this new product to talk about.
We had great success with our Qutest DAC, and we realized that we were missing a trick, because we had many very well reviewed preamplifiers, but new packaging.
There we go.
Anyway, so we decided that we would develop an RIAA equalization stage for phono. So it's a cartridge amplifier. And Matt and I worked on this together. I did the analog circuitry, and Matt did the digital, and we've managed to pack it in.
Yeah.
It's a very compact and very convoluted, very intense board design.
Yeah, so do you want me to?
Yeah, sure.
So, you obviously know us all for producing a lot of digital products, but we thought it was time, given the big increase in record and vinyl sales now, to look back at what we do in terms of our phono amplification for turntables. So we decided to develop this based on the Qutest range as an affordable phono stage product.
It's called HUEI, by the way. We like cute names.
So it's so affordable, so it's £990 in the UK, so under £1,000. It's microprocessor controlled, so all the functionality on here is stored in a microprocessor and remembered when you power cycle. You have moving magnet function or moving coil function. You have a rumble filter. You have gain. There's 8 different gain options and 16 different impedance options. It's, more importantly, fully balanced in and out. And yeah, fully balanced inputs, fully balanced outputs, but also single-ended outputs as well. 12-volt power supply, switch on and off, and should make it compatible with every cartridge that's out there, and an ideal accompaniment to the turntable sales that are now increasing.
Yeah, we wanted to do for the turntable lovers what we did for the digital lovers with Qutest. So this is the next in the Qutest range of products. So that's HUEI.
Yeah. Available in autumn.
Yes.
So.
Can I just quickly interject?